Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words grill and grill. Let's look at each one individually. Grill, noun, a framework of metal bars or wires that is used to cover or protect an opening, often found on vehicles, buildings, or appliances. For example, the car's front grille was damaged in the accident. The building's entrance featured an ornate metal grille. Make sure the air grill is not blocked to ensure proper ventilation. Grill, noun or verb, a device for cooking food over an open flame or heat source. Can also refer to a cooking surface. Verb, to cook food on a grill by exposing it to direct heat. For example, we're having a barbecue on the grill this weekend. I like to grill vegetables for added flavor. The grill marks on the steak indicate it was cooked properly. To summarize, grill refers to a protective framework made of metal bars or wires, often used in vehicles, buildings, or appliances. Grill can refer to a cooking device or surface, and also means to cook food over direct heat. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.